Hello, tech enthusiasts. OnePlus is back with a bang. The Nord 4 5G is here to redefine the mid-range smartphone experience. Forget everything you thought you knew. This phone punches above its weight class. Packed with a powerful processor, a stunning display, and a versatile camera system, let's dive into what makes the Nord 4 5G a total game changer. This beauty boasts a sleek and modern design with an aluminum unibody construction. But the real star of the show is the massive 6.74-inch AMOLED display. Not only is it big and beautiful, but the 120 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and an incredibly immersive viewing experience. Under the hood, the Nord 4 5G houses a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 processor, paired with up to 12 GB of RAM. This combo tackles everyday tasks and even some light gaming with ease. The camera system is no slouch either. The 50MP main sensor captures stunning photos with excellent detail, even in low-light conditions. And the 8MP ultra-wide lens lets you capture expansive landscapes with ease. But wait, there's more. The Nord 4 5G keeps you connected with blazing fast 5G speeds. No more waiting for downloads or lagging during video calls. Plus, the massive 5,500 mAh battery ensures you can stay powered up all day long. And when you do need a top-up, the 100W fast charging technology gets you back to full power in no time. The OnePlus Nord 4 5G runs the clean and intuitive Oxygen OS 14.1 based on Android 14. With a starting storage option of 256 GB, you'll have plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos. What are you waiting for? Upgrade your smartphone game with the OnePlus Nord 4 5G. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tech reviews.